Hello everybody, in this video we are going to discuss question and answer of the lesson The Emperor's Seed. First question. Read to understand. Answer these questions with reference to the context. 6 months, still nothing had grown. Everyone else had trees and tall plants, while Ling had nothing. Why did Ling not have any plant? Ling did not have any plant because the seeds that the emperor had given were boiled and could not grow, no matter what he did. How had everyone else managed to grow trees and plants? Everyone else had replaced the seed given to them by the emperor with a new one and had managed to grow great plant, trees and flowers. What quality of Ling is reflected in this incident and how was it rewarded? Ling was honest and courageous, and the emperor rewarded Ling by giving him his throne and making him the new emperor. Next exercise, that is answer these questions. Why did Ling think he was a failure? Ling thought that he was a failure because he believed that he had killed his seed as it did not grow into a plant. What advice did Ling's mother give him on the day of inspection? On the day of inspection, Ling's mother advised him to be honest as he had nothing to fear. Question number 3. Why did Ling choose to stay behind everyone with his pot? Ling chose to stay behind everyone because the others had produced a variety of plants. Ling, on the other hand, had failed in the task and was scared that he would be punished. Question number 4. Why was Ling terrified when the emperor called him to the front? Ling was terrified when the emperor called him to the front as he was sure that the emperor would have him killed for being a failure. Why was the emperor surprised to see the plants brought by the other youths? The emperor was surprised to see the plants brought by the others because the emperor had given them boiled seeds. He knew that it was impossible for plants to grow from boiled seeds. Question number 6. What qualities was the emperor looking for in his successor? The emperor was looking for a successor who was honest and courageous. So students, after writing all the difficult words and their meanings, you can do question and answer in your copy. Thank you and thanks for watching.